Welcome to HomeCore's centralized management software that simplifies your invoicing needs. If you operate a small furniture or mattress store, you understand the importance of invoicing and the challenges it presents. Handwriting invoices is an outdated practice mainly because of technological advancements that provide more efficient, accurate, and automated solutions. We can help you solve this by implementing automation and efficiency into your business practices. You can easily generate invoices from any device, automating customer history, product descriptions, pricing, taxes, discounts, and returns, thereby eliminating manual errors and saving valuable time. Our software also includes a custom website with all your brands working in real time with our invoice software. With our software, you can say goodbye to manual entries and tracking paper. That means less time spent on paperwork and more time to focus on what really matters: your furniture sales and customer service. Now let's talk accuracy. Errors in invoicing can be a nightmare, right? Our invoicing software significantly reduces the risk of human error. This means fewer issues and a smoother sales process. Your invoices will always reflect the right prices and terms, giving you and your customers peace of mind. Experience the ease of our invoicing software, designed to help you effortlessly create polished invoices that can be sent via text, email, or completed on your phone. Enhancing your business with a professional touch earns the respect and trust of your clients. Tracking can really make a significant difference. Keeping track of which invoices have been paid and which haven't can be a hassle. With our software, you can automatically send reminders for unpaid invoices, ensuring that cash flow remains steady. Integration is key for any business using multiple systems. Our invoicing software seamlessly integrates with tools like QuickBooks, making accounting processes easier and more reliable for your business. And what about record keeping? Digital invoices are stored safely in the cloud, meaning you can access them anytime, anywhere, and they won't get lost or damaged like physical copies. Lastly, customization. Our invoicing software often comes with customizable templates that let you infuse your brand's style and personality into every invoice you send out. Are you ready? Let us help you with a new custom website showcasing all your brands, which syncs with your invoicing and inventory and automatically connects to your Facebook Marketplace and Instagram pages. Yes, your social media is integrated into the software, allowing you to manage your social media pages, posts, and sales using the same tool that oversees your entire business. Let's get started with the Pro package, which includes a new custom website, invoicing software, inventory management, social media automation, and more, all for only $599 per month with no contracts. Embrace the power of technology and witness your furniture business grow more than ever. Are you ready?